Okay, so we're getting ready to go to Busan, the train to Busan, my favorite Korean movie. So we get to actually be on the Busan train today. Hopefully there's no zombies. And so what we like to do is keep our hotel room while we reserve another one over in the place that we're going, so we don't have to take our 4,000 suitcases. We just take a couple and a baby. So we're all loaded up here at the Seoul Dragon City, about to catch our venti cacao taxi and go to Seoul Station. So let's do it. So we're going to Seoul Station in our cacao taxi. We always call the venti, which is the van, and it is so much more affordable than especially in Europe or even in the US. It took a little while to figure out the Kakao app. We were trying to use Uber, and when you use Uber, your GPS is not as accurate and there's not as many available drivers. But if you get on the Kakao app, you have to set it up for having a non-Korean credit card. Once you set that up, then you can call cabs. The venti, which seats 6 people plus luggage, got everybody in here comfortably, including the baby jumping around.
Show them my purse.
And it's got purse hooks. Karen wanted me to make sure we highlight that. And getting one of these, it's about a 20-minute ride from our hotel to Seoul Station, and it costs about $8 US, which is a bargain compared to what it costs in any other country we've been to so far. So definitely get on the Kakao T app and get it set up if you're going to be using taxis over here. It's way more affordable. Got powered up with some Korean McDonald's here. Got some bulgogi burgers. All kinds of different flavors they don't have in the US. Some croissants. Butterscotch coffee. Running on nothing but premium fuel here today. Angelica and Karen both got peach smoothies too. A lot different than what we have in the States, that's for sure. We'll see later if we have stomach aches like we do when we eat McDonald's in the US.
Not here, I can already guarantee you that.
So good. You should definitely go here.
Okay, so we're officially on board the train to Busan. We started off by getting in the wrong car, sitting in someone's seat, running down the tracks to the other car. Then we sat in the wrong car again, had some guy bounce us out of those seats, and we finally found our seats, which is kind of our typical method here getting on trains when we were in Paris and now in South Korea. So we finally found our seats, and then Angelica and I went and walked up through 6 cars to get our suitcases that we left up there. So now we're settled in here for a little 2.5 hour ride to Busan, and now we can, Bella's going wild. Where are we going? Where are we going? Busan.
Busan.
He said, Bella, say Busan.
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 Where are we going? Busan. Where are you gonna go? You're gonna go Busan? Busan. Okay, we're halfway there. So far we've kept everybody awake with Bella whiling out. Passed her off to Lola. Calmed her down a little bit. But yeah, we're about halfway there. Smooth ride. A little bit warm on the train, but all in all, pretty comfortable, pretty quick. What do you think, Tom? What do you think so far
About what?
about the train?
Good.
Okay.
That was crazy.
How's it compare to the one in France?
Much better. It's not that crowded and we can figure it out easily.
As long as we find the right car, then it's good.
Yeah.
How many cars did we run?
Yeah, we're on our third one, but we're in the right one now. All right, here we go. On
Yay.
to Busan. Okay, we made it to Busan. We're here. Pretty disappointed there was no zombies on the train, but at least we're all still alive. A lot of good vending machines everywhere. About to head up the platform and find an elevator for Bella so we can head over to our hotel. We're heading over to the beach area, so at the Sheila Stay, and looking to eat some food at a Brazilian restaurant tonight. So getting up out of this train station and on to the next adventure. So we just made it to Busan Station. That's Busan Station behind me. A lot of really nice stuff out here. You can see the tower there in the background. Over here is the famous Busan Bridge. So we're gonna head down and grab a venti-sized taxi like we always do and head on over to the hotel and check it out. Here comes Angelica. Check out the sights with me. Well, we thought we were doing the venti taxi, but when we got here, found out there isn't any available, so we had to split up into two cabs. So Mom and I went in one cab, and Karen and the girls went in the other. Just coming across the bridge in here over by Haeundae Bay and the beach, and just really impressed with all the big buildings and nice weather today. But yeah, overall, just a massive city. Everything's clean, beautiful. Really looks like it's going to be a good time here. So getting ready to be at our hotel so we can go get some food and go check it out. Finally made it to Busan. We're out here taking a walk through the city over here to the restaurant to get something to eat. We found some all-you-can-eat Brazilian beef restaurant, so we're gonna head over there and eat because we are all hungry, especially Isabella. We found this little walking street. They got balloons everywhere, stuff to eat, all kinds of restaurants. And man, there is just stuff everywhere. So we're walking around checking it out. About to go see what we can find out here. A lot of nightlife here. It's only 6:30 p.m., but there's restaurants with their windows open, music going, stuff to eat, all kinds of stuff going on. Okay, we made it over here to Boy Brazil, a Brazilian barbecue all-you-can-eat restaurant. They got all kinds of really delicious meats. Even have grilled pineapple, which is being enjoyed right over here. Nom, nom, nom. So far, so good. Everything's really tasty, and we were all really hungry, so we're glad we're able to get something like this to eat. Kind of like a little taste of home here out in Korea, eating Brazilian barbecue.
I'm in my element, don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, that's a new zone. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London, then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can't come. Lay low, I don't want attention. Only show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element, don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my element, back in my element. I'm in my element, back in my element.
There's a man.
Okay, like which one, bro?
Balloon.
Let her pick her up. Go get your balloon.
Balloon?
Hold on. How much?
Would you get a balloon? Hello. Could you get a balloon? I'm looking at all of them.
Is this okay? That's not gonna poke it? Okay?
Would be. Oh, that's cute.
Okay. Come over there. Upo, okay? Bye-bye.
The girls found a selfie place where you can try on all kinds of things and dance around and make videos. So they're in here getting it. Instagram, watch out. Korea! Busan! Okay, so we stopped over here at Ulok, which is a tea house. They've got all kinds of different teas and desserts. And Angelica and I both got the matcha and ice cream swirl, and Karen got the matcha ice cream, and Mom got the mojito over here. And then I also got a strawberry matcha cake to go. So, woohoo! This is the Jeju Island matcha and milk, and it is good. Look at the sand, Belle. White sand beach in Korea. Haeundae Beach, Pororo. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we made it down to Haeundae Beach. It's about 70 degrees and cloudy today, pretty windy. But we're used to that in Seattle weather. We're about the only people down here wearing shorts. Of course, got the Seahawks jersey on to represent the other side of the world here. Got Isabella back there playing with her mom with the sandcastle. And we got my mom and Angelica down here in the Sea of Japan. Always exciting to get into a different part of the world and be able to say that you swam in a new ocean. So we're gonna go check it out. How's the water? Nice and warm? It's cold. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Well, the water is definitely cold. Reminds us a lot of the beaches in Washington. Your legs go numb when you get in there, but then you get used to it. So, enjoying it down here. Definitely a little chilly. Doesn't feel a whole lot like Hawaii or anything like that. We're out here at Haeundae Beach and saw these guys over here building this massive sandcastle. They've even got heavy equipment for getting the sand up to the spot where they are designing it. Thought I'd go over here and check it out for a minute. So it looks like they're using some kind of formwork here, and these other little things they have here have ratchet straps with rubber around them where they've wet the sand and packed it. And they're loading all these over here. And then you have the people that are designing and building the sandcastle up there right now, carving it, and it is absolutely exquisite. Not sure if there's some type of a competition going on here, but this first one here is absolutely amazing. Looks like they have some backpack sprayers that they're using to keep the sand wet as they sculpt it. I'm not sure that once they finish these portions, if there's something else they're spraying on there to keep it intact, because that large roof section appears to be fully completed, and it must have to have something on it to stay the way that it is with the weather and everything else going on. But I mean, what a masterpiece this is. Never seen anything like this in person. Okay, we're now in the Haeundae Beach traditional market. Getting ready to head down here and check out some places to eat with the family. Karen's on a lookout for dessert, so we're gonna go see what we can find.
their mouths are moving. Look at your little eyes. Oh my gosh.
Down here in the Haeundae Traditional Market where they have live eels for sale that they just offered us a sample of. I think I might have to pass for today.
Oh my goodness. Eels? Mm-hmm. You eat them?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get some Busan socks. Yeah.
You want socks?
If you're wondering why Mom has the Seahawks jersey on, it's because she ate shit in the ocean today looking for seashells. So it was our quickest fix, was to get her in a Seahawks jersey in Busan, South Korea. Shopping through this little area with all these discounted little socks and stuff in the Haeundae Traditional Market. We love a good bargain, so we don't have to wash our clothes, we just buy new ones. Where are you going? Isabel. The baby. The baby. The jelly. The baby. Had to give my Seahawks jersey up to my mom since she ate shit in the ocean. Waiting to see if anybody recognizes my Tiger King tank top here in South Korea. Was thinking about bringing it to Dubai when that was originally where we were going, but thought maybe that wasn't the best plan. So we'll see if anybody out here in Busan, South Korea recognizes the one and the only Joe Exotic as I'm traipsing around the traditional market. So far, 0 responses. We go to any country in the world and guarantee if there's some Crocs around, we're going to find them. Check that out. Haeundae Beach, Busan, South Korea, Crocs. No problem. Wow. Brand new shoes. Look like Crocs, but are they as comfortable or more comfortable?
They're more comfortable than Washington.
Wow.
Because it feels like you're walking on a cloud.
Walking on a cloud. You heard it here first. You got to come to Haeundae Beach, Busan, South Korea, and you can get the Cloud Crocs.
Right here.
Right here at this gentleman's shop.
And that we can't read, but...
We can't read it necessarily, but if you read Korean, you can. If not, just come to the Haeundae Market, and it's down here on the end. So we stopped at the Bono Berry down toward the end of the market, and we're going to get some delicious desserts. So they got all kinds of desserts here. Got a couple sandwiches to try. To break out the Google Translator to read some of these tags, but boy, do they look good. Okay, so we got the Oreo chocolate chip cookie, the double matcha cookie, a chocolate mousse, a matcha green tea pie, a mango pie, a chicken sandwich, a pork cutlet sandwich, and an espresso pancake loaf, along with a dolce latte here and 2 peach iced teas. So here we go. Looks like a good lunch. So overall, we had a really great time in Busan. It's one of our favorite places in Korea that we visited. The beaches are great, the food is awesome, the weather's spectacular, all kinds of good nightlife, plenty of things to do, nice and relaxed atmosphere, and great food. So if you're in Korea, it's a great place to check out. Also, do note that there is a 2-hour ferry from there over to Japan. So if you happen to be in Japan, or you're planning on coming to Korea and would like to go to Japan, Busan is a great stop along your journey. So check it out, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.